Cough. Cough is not a disease, but can be a symptom of upper and lower respiratory tract disease. Inhaling particles such as smoke, fumes, dust or cold air may irritate cough receptors, making you cough. Cough can either be productive or non-productive. Flu. This is a common viral infection that can be deadly, especially in high-risk groups. It is caused by influenza virus. Flu often attack the lungs, nose, and throats. Both young, old, pregnant women and people with chronic diseases are vulnerable. Flu spreads through air, touching contaminated surfaces, saliva and skin contact. Signs and symptoms are sore throats, headaches, running nose, cough, chills, and fever. It is advisable for you to drink plenty water and fluids. Eat plenty food and vegetables. Ensure that you wash your hand properly after coughing and sneezing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth, and get plenty of rest.